The Eufy Omni C20 combines compact design with effective cleaning features, making it an attractive choice for smaller homes. Its mopping system ensures consistent performance, while the mop lift feature automatically raises the mop when transitioning to carpeted areas, preventing wet spots and ensuring seamless cleaning. Its compact cleaning station is ideal for users with limited storage, offering powerful cleaning without taking up that much space. These features make it a practical option for those looking to maximize efficiency in smaller living areas. Despite its compact design, the Eufy Omni C20 has a few drawbacks. Its vacuuming performance is underwhelming, often leaving debris behind, particularly on carpets. The absence of obstacle avoidance technology increases the chances of it bumping into objects or getting stuck. Additionally, its navigation style, which includes frequent 360-degree spins, can slow down cleaning tasks and reduce its overall efficiency. These issues may limit its appeal for users with larger spaces or more demanding cleaning needs.